Hi, I'm Gabriela. Welcome to this channel of channeling. This is a practice space for me, a practice space where I explore my connection, my relationships with nature, with spirit, and with creativity. I believe that connection with these places is incredibly impactful, especially for humans right now as we do experience a lot of change. Connecting with these heart-centered places of spirit, nature, and creativity, I believe is more vital than ever before. Where am I? I live on the edge of the Catskill Mountains in upstate New York, or the Hills in the Sky as they're called. I have lived here for 3 years now, in this lush place of biodiversity and wetness and bugs and mushrooms, bears, stone, flowers, creek beds. And I come from the Rocky Mountains in Utah. Huge, nurturing mountains, moose, arid deserts, majestic perspectives, beautiful summertime rainstorms, enormous snow, crystal blue sky. I've experienced a lot of changes in the past few years, as I believe we all have. And those changes have brought me closer to myself, closer to who I always have been, really. Like I said, I've moved cross country. I've fallen in love with my husband. I had a partner who passed away a few years ago. My dad passed away a year ago. I had a dream job. I thought it was my dream job. That wasn't right, that wasn't really in alignment with myself. So I've transitioned out of that. Am transitioning still, and I'm really exploring this path of nature, spirit, and creativity. I'm seeing what's next. I've spent a lot of time in the darkness, in the void, in the unknown, and I'm practicing these channels of self-expression, of authentic self-expression, to reflect into the world what I really care about, what I see as being vital to our animal existence, to our enmeshment together on this planet. Humans for a few centuries have gotten really good at disconnecting from land, disconnecting from our hearts, disconnecting from each other. And this is a really ripe time to be reconnecting to these places. So this is a channel that explores that for myself along my own path. My deep intention behind this is that this practice, this work is stimulating for you, that these places of consciousness can ripple, that my heart-centered exploration of my relationships with spirit, nature, and creativity can be inspiring for your own exploration down this path. May this kind of journey really enrich our lives, our planet, our ecological lives together. True wholeness is ecological. Spiritual wholeness is ecological. Thank you for following my journey. I hope it resonates. And consider subscribing, following, sharing with your friends if you feel inspired by this practice. Thank you.